Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NavitaTutorials. How are you friends? So today we are going to learn and write 10-line essay on Independence Day. So let's start. So the first line is Independence Day is our national festival. Second line, it is celebrated on 15th August. Third line, it is very important day for us. Fourth line, we got freedom on 15th August 1947. Fifth line, on this day we remember our freedom fighters. Sixth line, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag on this day. Seventh line, after hoisting the national flag, national anthem is sung. Eighth line, it is one of the greatest festival of democracy. Ninth line, various cultural programs are organized on this day. Tenth line, Independence Day teaches us the power of unity.